Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a great weekday meal that's quick and easy to make, prosciutto wrapped chicken breast with basil and sun-dried tomato pesto. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of basil pesto. Then crumble 100 grams of Greek feta into the bowl. Finally, 1.5 tablespoons of diced sun-dried tomatoes. Make sure it's evenly mixed as we want every bite to have all of that flavour. Lay out 2 strips of prosciutto. Place a chicken breast at one end of the prosciutto, slice between the breast and the tender to open up the chicken breast for the filling. Spoon the pesto mix along the opening of the chicken breast. Close the chicken up to keep the filling in. Top with some sage leaves before carefully wrapping the chicken breast in the prosciutto. Place in an oven dish side by side. Cook these chicken breasts for 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 428 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. Once cooked, allow to rest for 5 minutes before serving. Spoon over some of those gorgeous juices and there you have it, prosciutto wrapped chicken breast with basil and sun-dried tomato pesto. This dish is a beautiful, quick and easy weeknight meal that'll impress your whole family. It elevates a simple roast chicken breast to the next level. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, follow us on social media, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.